In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Google Chrome background. By the end, you'll have a browser that looks polished, personal, and easier on the eyes. Start by opening a new tab in Chrome. Look down to the bottom right corner and click the small pencil icon. This opens the Customize Chrome side panel, which is where you control the look and feel of your browser's new tab page and overall color accents. Keep this panel open as we go. It updates your changes in real time so you can see exactly what you're getting. Next, click on Change Theme. You'll see a range of categories with thousands of high-definition images. Pick a category that suits your mood or workspace: nature, geometric patterns, minimalist scenes, and more. Click into a category and select any image. Your background updates instantly on the new tab page. Take a moment to scan how your shortcuts and text look on top of the image. If it feels too busy, try a cleaner option with softer tones or more negative space, which helps keep icons readable. If the first one isn't quite right, just click a different image. There's no penalty for trying a few until one fits. If you prefer something uniquely yours, choose Upload. An image to use a photo from your computer. This is perfect for a professional workspace, a team backdrop, or a custom brand logo. For the sharpest result, use a high-resolution landscape image, ideally 1920 by 1080 pixels or higher, so it fills the screen without blur. JPG or PNG files both work well. If your photo has important details near the edges, add a little padding beforehand so nothing gets cropped by the layout. And to keep the interface readable, avoid super bright or overly complex patterns behind your shortcuts. Finally, pick a color that matches your new background. In the panel, click one of the color circles to change the accent color across your tabs and toolbar. You'll see the update immediately. If you chose a darker background, a lighter accent color can improve contrast and make tab titles easier to read. If you're aligning with brand colors, select something that complements your image without overpowering it. That's it. You've customized the new tab background, set a personal image if you wanted, and tune the color of your tabs and toolbar to match. You can revisit the pencil icon anytime to refine your look, swap images, or adjust colors. Enjoy your refreshed Chrome experience and make it a space that supports your focus and style every time you open a new tab.